Uncover the benefits of DIY face masks for radiant skin. Uncover the benefits of DIY face masks for radiant skin. In today's fast-paced world, we are constantly bombarded with advertisements for expensive skincare products that promise to give us radiant and flawless skin. While some of these products may indeed deliver on their promises, there is an alternative that is both affordable and effective: DIY face masks. DIY face masks have gained popularity in recent years as more people are looking for natural and cost-effective ways to maintain their skin's health and beauty. By using simple ingredients that can be found in any kitchen, you can create your own face masks that are tailored to your specific skin needs. One of the greatest benefits of DIY face masks is that they are made from natural ingredients. Unlike commercial products which often contain chemicals and irritating ingredients, DIY face masks allow you to know exactly what you are putting on your skin. This is especially important for those with sensitive skin or allergies, as they can choose ingredients that are gentle and non-irritating. Another advantage of DIY face masks is that they can be customized to suit your skin type and concerns. Whether you have dry skin that needs extra hydration, oily skin that requires deep cleansing, or acne-prone skin that needs soothing and healing, there is a DIY face mask recipe out there for you. You can experiment with different ingredients until you find the perfect combination that works for your skin. One of the simplest and most popular DIY face masks is the honey and yogurt mask. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, making it ideal for dry or dehydrated skin. Why? Yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps exfoliate dead skin cells and brighten the complexion. By mixing equal parts of honey and yogurt, you get a nourishing and hydrating mask that leaves your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, a clay mask may be more beneficial. Bentonite clay, in particular, is known for its ability to draw out impurities and excess oil from the skin. Simply mix bentonite clay with water or apple cider vinegar until it forms a paste, apply it to your face, and let it dry before rinsing it off. This DIY mask not only helps control oiliness but also tightens the pores and reduces acne breakouts. For those looking to brighten their complexion and fade dark spots or hyperpigmentation, a DIY face mask containing lemon juice and turmeric can be incredibly effective. Lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent that helps lighten dark spots, while turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce redness and even out skin tone. However, it's important to note that lemon juice can be irritating to some skin types, so it's always recommended to do a patch test before applying it to your entire face. Aside from being cost-effective and customizable, DIY face masks also provide a relaxing and pampering experience. Taking the time to mix and apply a face mask can be a form of self-care and a way to unwind after a long day. You can enhance this experience by adding essential oils such as lavender or chamomile to your face mask, creating a soothing aroma that relaxes your mind and body. It's important to remember that although DIY face masks can offer numerous benefits, they should not replace a proper skincare routine. Cleansing, toning, and moisturizing are still essential steps and maintaining healthy skin. Face masks should be used as a supplement to your regular skincare routine, preferably once or twice a week. Additionally, it's crucial to use caution when using DIY face masks, especially if you have sensitive skin or underlying skin conditions. Always do a patch test before applying a new ingredient to you. or face to avoid any adverse reactions. If you experience any redness, itching, or irritation, discontinue use immediately. DIY face masks have become increasingly popular as people seek natural and affordable ways to improve their skin's appearance. By utilizing ingredients commonly found in the kitchen, individuals can create personalized face masks to address their specific skin concerns. One standout advantage of DIY face masks is their use of natural ingredients. Unlike commercial products that often contain chemicals and potentially irritating components, DIY face masks allow individuals to have full control over what they apply to their skin. This is especially crucial for those with sensitive skin or allergies, as they can select gentle ingredients that won't cause irritation. Another benefit is the ability to customize DIY face masks to suit different skin types and issues. Whether someone has dry skin in need of hydration, oily skin requiring deep cleansing, or acne-prone skin in need of soothing and healing, there is a DIY face mask recipe available. By exploring various ingredients, individuals can find the perfect combination that works best for their unique skin. One popular DIY face mask recipe is honey and yogurt. Honey, known for its moisture-attracting properties, is ideal for dry or dehydrated skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which exfoliates dead skin cells and promotes a brighter complexion. When mixed in equal parts, honey and yogurt create a nourishing and hydrating mask that leaves the skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. For those with oily or acne-prone skin, a clay mask can prove beneficial. Bentonite clay, in particular, is effective at drawing out impurities and excess oil. Simply mix the clay with water or apple cider vinegar until it forms a paste, apply it to the face, allow it to dry, and then rinse it off. This DIY mask not only controls oiliness but also tightens pores and reduces acne breakouts. Individuals aiming to brighten their complexion and fade dark spots or hyperpigmentation can benefit from a face mask containing lemon juice and turmeric. Lemon juice acts as a natural bleaching agent that lightens dark spots, while turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and even the skin tone. However, it's crucial to note that lemon juice can irritate certain skin types, so it's recommended to conduct a patch test before applying it to the entire face. In addition to being cost-effective and customizable, DIY face masks offer a relaxing and pampering experience. Taking the time to mix and apply a face mask can provide a moment of self-care and relaxation after a long day. Enhance this experience by adding essential oils like lavender or chamomile to the face mask, creating a soothing aroma that relaxes both the mind and body. It is essential to remember that DIY face masks should not replace a proper skincare routine. Cleansing, toning, and moisturizing are still vital steps in maintaining healthy skin. Face masks should be used as a complement to one's regular skincare routine, preferably once or twice a week. Additionally, caution should be exercised when using DIY face masks, especially for individuals with sensitive skin or underlying skin conditions. Always conduct a patch test before applying new ingredients to the